Alright guys, so we're gonna be removing the old speaker connector. So here is our speaker, and they're gonna be removing the speaker connector. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be replacing it using this one. It's a really quality connector, guys. It's better to see. So first we need to get our soldering iron here. It's a little bit warm. So we're gonna be removing this. Okay, so before we do this, we need to make sure that we have some paper so that it will not fall out in our subwoofer code. So let me get paper. Alright guys, so there you go guys. So we're gonna be removing this one. So take time, no, not really. So you just need to put your, if you want you could add more, so just make sure not to inhale the fumes, that this would cause you some really bad, it's bad for your lungs guys. Okay, just need to remove this. Okay, so here we go. Just need to snug it a bit so you could melt the soldering and you could move your hips. I mean, you could move your just need to be careful. This is really dangerous. You see that? There's some falling debris guys. Those are the things that you should be aware of. So very carefully snug it. Okay. Make sure not to inhale the fumes. Then you remove this again. There you go guys, so successfully remove this. And the next one that we should do, put it there. So the next thing that we should do now, okay, just put it somewhere safe. Okay. The next thing that you're gonna be doing, so you can see that guys, so we're gonna be removing, we're gonna be using this one, so make sure to know that the mark this one is for positives, as you can see this one, and you should know which one is for the negative. So this other side is for the negative. So to remove this is we need to also have this one, pliers. Besides from that, okay, so we could start removing it now. Okay. So you guys. And this is the excess. You could remove it guys. You could remove the excess here too. So you might not need them later on. Maybe we could put solder, but later on. Just put this, yes. And then after that, is we need to flatten. We need to remove this one. And it requires us to remove this one. Okay, so you're gonna be pulling the tinsel lid. Let's see. I'm pulling it very slowly, as you could destroy this one. That's the tinsel lid. It connects the coil from the subwoofer to your speaker. And let's do it on the other side, guys. Okay. Here you go guys, so we're removing the tinsel lid. Okay, there you go guys. So after we've done it successfully, we're gonna be making a hole here. If you have a the soldering gun, you could use it, but in my case, I have it, so I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna make for it, guys. We're okay, guys. Okay. Just need to remove the. So here we go. So need to remove this excess. Okay. So that's the hole. See, this is how effective this is. See that? Also this one. See that? Make sure not to melt your soldering gun. Make sure to pull it out and we'll see how we can remove this, or maybe we could reuse it. See this? I'm seeing how I could remove this. Positive, negative, but if not, let's just try to see how we could fit this in here. Okay, so we're waiting the hole. We'll see. So as you can see, so we can't fit it, so we need to create our own hole. Okay, so to create our own hole, we need to make hole here. Okay, so this one is the positive side, so we're gonna create a hole over there. Okay, so guys, so what I've done is I poke a hole using my screwdriver on where the terminal is connected, so you can see that. So let me do it for you guys. It's just poking a hole. It's very easy for this because it's like a plastic. Make sure not to damage your speaker, so it fits in the hole. Okay, so let's just make it to the other one. Just make it sure it's really safe to do so. Make sure not to destroy a speaker's cone. This is very risky. You might slip and end up destroying your cone, which is really not good for the subwoofer or your speaker. So you feel the pressure. And there you go, guys. I think I inserted it. And that's near. I think this hole was near the metal. Oh, be very, very careful. So as you can see, guys, I'm gonna be trying to insert this one. You can see the assembly. Here's where so I think the screw is not enough, so we'll make it larger. Okay guys, so I'm really annoyed, so I'm gonna be using this one. It's a bigger screw, so let's see who's gonna win now. Okay, so I used a bigger screw. Let's see if this will fit. This should just fit like this one. Okay, maybe we could make the hole a little bit bigger. So it's bigger hole. So we want the bigger hole, so just make the hole bigger. Just do this very good manner. Alright guys, so we're gonna be recording this one. Just a little beat test. And there you go guys, that's how we do it, and thank you guys for watching. This is how you do it on your speaker. In this case it's an 18-inch subwoofer.